Oh, I can't see the ride leader thing in the back. That's annoying. That should be there. I'm a ride leader. This should happen. How can we make this happen? It's got to like come over more. I'll deal with that later. Yeah, let's get some music going. Let's go. Classic. Chip tunes. Where are we at? There we go. Feels like winning. Oh gosh, that's loud. Awesome. I'm still getting set up, so bear with me. Should be streaming, should be going, should be able to see. View. Hold on. I am doing some things. I don't know if it's actually working, actually, because I'm on. Oh, no, it's totally working. I just found myself making a ridiculous face. That's great. That's great. Cool. Awesome. Hopefully people enjoy that. No one's on yet, but hopefully people maybe watch that some other time. Anyway, yeah, so today I am. Well, I should make sure that. So I am doing this performance benchmarking application development thing, and I just realized I should probably kill this thing. No, that should be all right. You should be able to see this. Oh, okay, cool. It's on a different screen anyway. Okay, let's save that. Okay, we can save that, whatever. And I need to open up the actual application. You can't see my screen anyway, so it doesn't matter. Great. Okay, application's coming over, and then we're going to switch to... Just the camera. Just camera for now. Just me. And I'm going to nano my squiggly /.bash rc file. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, which is going to take, nope, okay. And then we'll put in bun, I think. Where am I? Oh shit, okay, export bun, cool. Okay, cool, got it, I think. Let's do that, I think I got it. Let's X, Y, enter. I probably should have made a copy of my bash RC file, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna now I'm gonna get back on to That makes sense that you can't hear my stuff because I know what's going on. Hold on one second. Okay. Terribly sorry for the confusion around the mic. I still forgot to set this one up on this one because I was using my Kitty headphones, but we are not. Actually, you know what? Let's throw back to the Kitty headphones. Okay. Terribly sorry. Oh, hey-o. Kitty headphones. Oh gosh, that's so loud in my ears. All right, Jessica, thank you for the help there. I've spent a lot of time talking, and no one has heard a thing I said, which is probably for the best. But no, so I'm trying to get set up with Bun here. I'm running Windows WSL. Overall, not stoked on the Bun documentation, but it's a version 0.1, literally. So, you know, whatever. Let's see. Bring back my Windows WSL terminal, and let's see what we can do. So we have Bun installed. We've got the version. It seems to be alright, although, to be frank, it's like a pretty scary version to be working on. But this is just for fun anyway, so that's fine. Get into our project, and we should be able to run Bun install. And already, this is a problem. Now, I don't expect a lot of users are going to be using Windows WSL. This might be a blocker for me. So let's see if I can figure out how to update Windows WSL. I'm already on WSL 2. It's weird. I'm just gonna have to jump in the Discord and figure this out with them. But there may be a way around this, because what I wanted to do anyway was get into some Docker stuff. So I do have Docker set up. Yep. Okay, cool. So, Docker. I hate Docker. Unable to open stats. Okay, that makes sense. Let's close that. Reopen it. That is because I shut down WSL. This is going to take a little bit. So, I need to get this Docker set up. Let's open folder. I don't know if I want to show all that. I always get so scared when I open up like a random folder on my computer on stream. I mean, it's my work computer. There's nothing like too scandalous or anything, but you know, you never know. Secrets. Ah, perfect time for VS Code to decide to update. Cool. Well, I'm gonna get a Docker file going anyway. So let's touch Docker file. Cool. Let's nano Docker file, and let's get into writing a Docker file, because who doesn't like writing Docker files? Let's go Docker node. Official Docker images for node. If you don't know what Docker is, I'm not going to be able to explain it because it's like way too complicated. But it's basically a way to, I'll try. It's basically a way to create a virtual computer environment within your physical computer. So I can tell Docker what operating system I want, what software I want installed on that like operating system, and it just uses my real computer's hardware to power this imaginary computers software. At this point, programming is so meta that, you know, I can't explain it any better than that. Okay, cool. I want to get an Alpine version of Docker, or of I want to get a Node Alpine Docker instance, I think. 16, 14, 16, what do we got? LTS Alpine. I just want a plain Alpine, please. I think there's Alpine Node. Alpine, no, okay, fine. Let's go. Here we go. Something. There should be just Alpine Node. Fine, Alpine-Node. No. Great. All right, fine. Maybe not. Okay. Let's open up VS Code. And let's see, GitHub, Austin Gill, utils might have it. I think I have maybe some Docker. I don't have any Docker stuff in here. Awesome. Cool. Here comes VS Code, finally crossing the finish line. Now you need to look up the difference between Docker and what virtual machine is. Great. Okay, fine, Jess. You're gonna put me on blast here. You're just giving me crap, aren't you? You're messing with me. Put me on the spot. So a virtual machine. Yes, a Docker and a virtual machine. A virtual machine is just an imaginary machine. I don't know. I have no idea how to explain containerization. I just kind of know what it does-ish. But let's see. I want to see Docker file Alpine node is what I... No, there. You know what? I'm not even going to use Alpine because Alpine... Okay. Alpine is an operating system. It's a Linux-based operating system. And it's super, super lightweight. So it's really good for if you need to... It's really good because it doesn't have a lot of packages. Fewer packages means less maintenance, means less security vulnerabilities or like attack surface area. But it's also a bigger pain in the butt because things that you need might not actually be available. So that said, I'm actually going to pull up the Docker node registry and see if I can get an Ubuntu based image. And I'm using other terms that are gonna make absolutely no sense. But you know, I don't know. I don't know what else to do. Sorry. Let's do node 18 is what I want. I think just node 18 is fine. All right, let's see if I can get this going. It's been a while. I want to say what image I want to pull from, and I want to pull from the node. I think it's like this, 18. So I can say what node version I want. I don't even know if I need a semicolon at the end there. I think I do. And then we can say start or no, run. Let's learn Docker. Let me see if I can just start with this. So let's do Docker build. Docker build? No. So annoying. Okay. Is Docker daemon running? How do you get it started? Do I have to do... Got Docker. Yeah, sure. This is what I want. Let's do this. That was it. And then we're going to do this part. Don't worry about this part, kids. Don't worry about this start. Okay, cool. Now I should be able to do Docker build. There we go. Connected to the Docker daemon, Matt Damon. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's okay. It's all right. I'm just pretending to be a developer anyway until my big payday comes in and I can move to the mountains and raise goats. Okay, so I should be seeing something. Invalid reference format. That's what I should be seeing. All right, fine. It's not node. How do I do this? Node 18. Or is it just like this? It might be this. Okay. It feels like it's doing something more. Definitely not. Awesome. All right, don't worry, we'll get there. That's what live streams are for anyway, right? Let's see. No, I want Docker node example. Find from node Alpine. Okay, I did have it kind of right. Maybe that semicolon's throwing it off, huh? From node Alpine. And then, sure, command. I won't have any files in there. All right, so the last one is like the command, and then we can say whatever command we want to run, which I'm going to say /bin/bash, I think. We'll see. If I were to run that here and I did /bin, no, .bin, no, .bun. Bin, bash. Okay, fine. ls bin. Is it sh? Is it sh? ln pqr s b s s sh. Okay, so that's it. If I wanted to, I could run /bin/sh, and that's going to open up a terminal command. I can say ls. Cool. Cool. So that's what I want to do. I need to give it a command that it's going to run. It's going to be /bin/sh. Awesome. I feel like this should be correct. Maybe the semicolon is throwing it off. Let's try building this Docker image one more time. And then if not, I'll give up and go cry in the corner. Yes, got it right. It was the freaking semicolon. Okay, so what it's going to do now is pull down all of the other images, which again, if you don't know what Docker is, the word image is going to mean absolutely nothing. But it's basically software built on top of software. So if I wanted to run Node, I may need to run that on an operating system like Ubuntu, and Ubuntu may be built on top of some other Linux build, and all the way down to like the most basic thing, Linux, right? So each of those steps that builds on top of the previous one, those are images, which are basically recipes for the hardware and, well, the operating system and software configuration. Jess, you got to tell me if I'm just like totally blowing this, but yeah. So anyway, it's downloading all of the images required to build the next image, and then at the end, I'm going to have my code that is the image that I'm building, built on top of this Node image, which is built on top of the, let's say, Ubuntu image, which is built on top of the, I don't know, Alpine image, which is built on top of the Linux image. That's how I understand it anyway. Either way, The fact that I'm getting rickrolled myself right now, rickrolling myself, is beautiful. Cool, so that's enough to get that set up. Now I'm going to set up another process that's going to get Bun up and running, hopefully. Are you still gone? No, you're not. Download newer image for Node 18. Cool. Command. Okay, that's the command it's going to run when it starts. So we're going to say docker run. No, docker images. I have this Node 18 one. Oh, no, I have the image that I created here. Shoot. I should have named it something. That's annoying. Okay, docker run this and name it poop. Did I give that? Bad option. Name. Okay. Tag. Poop. Bad option. Tag. Okay, maybe I put it in the wrong order. Docker run. Flag goes after this. Oh, okay. Honestly, I thought you were messing with me about the whole container images thing. Okay, name poop. What's up, Phils? What's going on? Cool. Cool. All right. Cam is frozen. Really? Well, lucky you. You get to look at my sweet face. What's up with the cam? It shouldn't be frozen. It's weird. Let's try this. How about if we go... All right, let's see. I'm gonna fix this then. Let's try this. Let's try the integrated camera. No. Let's try the cam link. Okay. You know, I don't know. I'm a technologist, but I can't do this stuff. Right. So I need to run this Docker. Wait, no, it's not. It's not still frozen, but there does seem to be a delay. Looks like an image. Let me try something. I'm gonna try cutting the stream and redeploying the stream. I don't even know if this is what people do normally, but we're gonna try it. So hang tight. 1 sec.